Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, as you can probably tell, I have the new iPhone SE 2020 in product red. Today we're going to be unboxing it. Usually I wouldn't be doing unboxing videos, but today it's kind of a little bit of a special day. This is going to be my new phone that I'll be daily driving, so I thought I would do an unboxing video. I have waited probably a few weeks to do this, as I wanted to make sure that I had a case, because I really don't want to break this. So yeah, let's get into it. So to start off, we're just gonna open it up. First time opening a brand new iPhone. Let's see how this goes. Oh man, that's satisfying. Put this off to the side. Okay, you guys ready to see it for the first time? I mean, you've probably already seen it on YouTube. I'm probably like the last person to do an unboxing video, but I feel like I should do this. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Stupid design by Apple card. Okay, for real this time. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got the iPhone. The product red iPhone SE 2020. Oh man, looks so good. Okay, so inside the box here we have your normal 5-watt charging cube, your lightning ear pods, and your lightning to USB-A charging cord. Nothing new, just your average low-end iPhone stuff. Inside this little package here, you have your product red little card telling you a little bit about what the program is about. Your welcome to iPhone cards. Your Apple stickers, of course. I believe this is your, what is this, warranty? And then your wire SIM card eject tool. I have way too many of these. I probably will never use this one, because I mean, it's just wire. Seems a little flimsy. So that's what you got inside your box. Just gonna put all that away. Put it to the side, because we want to focus on the phone itself, because that's what we're here for. Yes, Apple stickers are amazing. The phone, probably worth a bit more than 2 Apple stickers. Okay, let's move on to the phone. You guys ready for this? Ready? Oh man, is that ever satisfying. Okay, there we go. There's the iPhone. That looks amazing. The red, personally, I think the red is my favorite color out of all of them. The white one gives a very Stormtrooper kind of look to it. That's nice. The black one, nothing new, just your normal space gray or black iPhone. Red, I like red because A, goes towards a good cause. Right now it goes towards your COVID-19 relief fund. Before it went towards AIDS research and stuff like that. So if you don't know what color to go with, but you like a good cause, product red is the way to go. Looks cool, and it goes to a good cause. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slap a case on here. I have the OtterBox clear case, because I really don't want to break this. There we go. Okay. Well, let's boot it up. There's your black boot up screen. I'm gonna head off to a time lapse of me setting it up. I will have a setup video posted in the next few days after this video is posted, just to show you kind of how you would set up an iPhone if you've never done this before. So that will be coming. I'm not going to do that here. I'm just going to do a time lapse of me setting it up so you can kind of see what's happening, but I'm not going to go super detailed on that. So yeah, let's head into the time lapse. Now that we've got the phone set up, got most of the settings, it's just downloading the apps and then these apps that I can just delete. So yeah, there's not much more to say about this, but yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy this phone. And it seems to be one of the best budget phones out on the market right now when it comes to iPhone. For around $500–600, you're getting a pretty good package. So yeah, so now I will use my other phone that I am currently using right now as a full-time camera. So hopefully I have some better quality footage of my videos that I make. So yeah, see you in the next one.